Hello, I'm Quentin McCall, CEO of Knowledge for Finances. Just wanted to give you a quick video to give you a little overview of Dominique's Brown 30-day credit repair agency program. Personally, been a very experienced businessman. I've been in business for myself about 23, 24 years, for everything from real estate investing to owning car dealerships. So from the real estate perspective, I used to offer a free credit repair training program to kind of help people who was interested into buying or renting homes or even get into the car business, be able to obtain what we call in the car business floor plans. And a floor plan is nothing but a big credit line, anywhere from 100 grand all the way up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $10 million. So I used to help other business owners acquire these big lines of credit because it was something that I was very good at, and and it's something that I just kind of learned over the years. So I wanted to kind of branch out and have an opportunity to add to what I was doing. So having the ability to work with Dom with the program really helped me kind of flesh out my ideas and get everything kind of clear as it relates to the business. I knew I had a good, strong foundation of marketing, understanding how to do sales, how to convert, how to bring in marketing, social media marketing, Google Ads, PPC. Been doing that for years. What he was able to bring to the table was the things that I think they usually get people stuck, like the website, the textual functionality of how to set up a website, the compliance issues that you get into, because all those things are very important. So if you apply the program, you listen to what he teaches you, and you have an idea of what you're trying to do, you'll be very successful. Personally, now I think we've in my company, we've in a little as 3.5 months, I think we've grossed now over $35,000-$40,000 already in revenue. So you can be very successful in the program, but once again, all businesses are comprised of sales and marketing. Without mastering sales and marketing, it's kind of impossible to build a effective business. So his program is very beneficial, and it's something that if you want to do it, then you should do it. Don't go into the program thinking the program is what's going to really produce the revenue for you. What's going to really produce the revenue for you is your ability to take action on the tactics and the information that he's able to provide you. Dom cannot help you have the right work ethic and mentality that you need to have to be successful in the program. That has to come from you. You have to take forth the effort and put in the effort that it takes to be successful. Success is hard work. Success is a lot of restless nights. And sometimes being successful, you spend a little time alone as well. Because you got to lock in, you got to focus, and you can't be distracted by outside noise. So the information is there for you to earn 10, 15, 20, 30, $50,000 a month. But you have to put in the work for it to do that. And you have to understand how to scale and offer all the other operational things that are required to be successful. So I think right now at the rate that I'm going, we should very soon. We should be well in the high five figures. But once again, having that baseline of the things that I've done prior to this definitely was a part of my ability to take this and run with it. So a lot of times the qualities to be successful, I guess I've kind of developed those. So if you're interested in the program, you should take the effort to be in the program, and you should focus, commit yourself to the program, and understand nothing happens overnight. Nothing is free. Success requires you to work. Success requires you to put in the effort that it takes to be successful, and you can't just depend on the program itself to make you successful. You got to look within your heart, within your mind, deep within your soul, and really pull the things about you that you need and it's required for you to be successful. I highly recommend the program. It's complete, everything you need to know. Nothing's left out. It's just waiting on you to take the first step and sign up for Dominique's credit repair agency program. I highly recommend it. Thank you.